In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable iMessages on iCloud. Whether you want to sync your messages across all your devices or prefer to keep them stored locally, iCloud offers a simple way to manage your iMessage settings. Understanding how to toggle this feature can be beneficial, whether you're looking to free up some space on your phone or ensure that your conversations are accessible across your Apple ecosystem. Let's dive right into the process. We'll start by navigating through your device's settings. Begin by unlocking your phone and locating the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon that we're all quite familiar with. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to tap on your name, which you can easily find right at the top. This opens up a personalized settings menu that contains all your Apple ID and iCloud preferences. After you tap your name, you'll see a section specifically labeled iCloud. Tap on it to access a comprehensive list of apps and services that utilize iCloud for storage and syncing. Now, the iCloud menu is where all the magic happens. This area allows you to control how your apps use iCloud, and today we're focusing on iMessages. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Messages. It's nestled among your other iCloud using apps like Photos and iCloud Drive. This section is where you can choose to either turn on or off iCloud syncing for your messages. If the toggle switch next to Messages is turned on, your iMessages are currently syncing with iCloud. This means that every message you send or receive is stored in the cloud, allowing you to access your entire message history from any Apple device that's logged into the same Apple ID. Should you decide to change this setting, simply tap on the toggle. Swiping it to the on position enables iCloud Sync, ensuring that your messages are backed up and reachable across all your devices, providing a seamless communication experience. Conversely, if you move the toggle to the off position, your messages will no longer sync with iCloud, and they'll remain only on the device where they were received or sent. Quite understandably, enabling iMessages on iCloud is particularly useful if you frequently switch between devices like an iPhone, iPad or Mac. It creates a cohesive experience where all your conversations are up to date, no matter which device you pick up. On the other hand, disabling this feature gives you more control over your device's storage because your messages remain stored locally. This might be the preferred option if you're working with limited iCloud storage or simply want to keep certain conversations on one device only. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to enable or disable iMessages on iCloud. Adjusting these settings according to your preferences can help streamline your communication and optimize your device usage. Remember, you can easily revisit these settings if your needs or preferences change in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tech tutorials.